In just over a decade, the world has undergone a profound shift in its relationship with food. The global vegan diet market, once a niche phenomenon, has exploded into a mainstream movement, with far-reaching consequences for our health, environment, and economy. So, how did we get here? And more importantly, what can we do to sustain this momentum? To understand the rise of veganism, let's take a step back. The global population is projected to reach 9.7 billion by 2050, putting an unprecedented strain on our planet's resources. Animal agriculture, in particular, is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. But it's not just the environmental impact that's driving people towards plant-based diets. The numbers are staggering. Over 1.5 billion cases of plant-based food allergies have been reported globally, with many more undiagnosed or misdiagnosed. This is a trend that's particularly pronounced among children and young adults. Countries that adopted veganism as a mainstream diet saw a remarkable reduction in these allergy cases. In India, for example, the adoption of veganism led to a 30% decrease in food allergies among school-going children over just 5 years. Similarly, in Brazil, the rise of plant-based eating resulted in a 25% decline in allergy cases among children under the age of 18. But it's not just about avoiding allergies. The health benefits of a well-planned vegan diet are undeniable. A study published in the Journal of the American Osteopathic Association found that vegans have a significantly lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. In fact, one study estimated that adopting a vegan diet could save over 2 million lives annually, a staggering statistic that's hard to ignore. Of course, transitioning to a vegan lifestyle is not without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is often financial. Plant-based protein sources can be more expensive than their animal-derived counterparts. However, this trend is shifting dramatically. The cost of plant-based protein sources has dropped significantly over the past decade, with some products now costing as little as $12 per unit, down from $500 just a few years ago. So, what does it take to make the switch? Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Start by getting informed. Learn about different types of plant-based protein sources, such as legumes, nuts, and seeds. Understand how they can be incorporated into your diet in a way that's both tasty and satisfying. Step 2. Gradually transition away from animal products. Begin by substituting 1 or 2 meals per day with plant-based options. As you become more comfortable with the taste and texture of vegan foods, gradually increase the number of meat-free meals. Step 3. Seek out supportive communities. Join online forums, social media groups, or local vegan meetups to connect with like-minded individuals who can offer advice, encouragement, and support. Step 4. Plan your meals ahead of time. Develop a meal plan that includes a variety of plant-based protein sources, as well as healthy fats and complex carbohydrates. This will help ensure that you're getting all the nutrients your body needs while making the transition to a vegan diet. By following these simple steps, anyone can make the switch to a vegan lifestyle, even if it seems daunting at first. As we move forward into an increasingly plant-based future, one thing is clear: the benefits of this movement will be felt for generations to come. As we've explored the growing trend of plant-based eating, it's clear that the shift towards a vegan lifestyle is not just a fad. With over 1 in 5 people worldwide now adopting some form of plant-based diet, the industry is booming, projected to reach $13 by 2027. But beneath the numbers lies a deeper truth. Our bodies are becoming increasingly vulnerable to traditional diets. The rising tide of plant-based eating is not just about taste or convenience, it's about survival. As we navigate this new landscape, I urge you to consider your own relationship with food and its impact on the world around us. Will you join the movement towards a kinder, greener future, starting with what you put on your plate?